The most attractive part of a man's body is the chest. And just as these chest muscles make you look strong and handsome, chest fat makes you look very low-confident and weak in front of everyone. If you're tired of that stubborn chest fat that just won't go away, or you're looking to sculpt a strong, chiseled chest right from the comfort of your own home, then you've come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to share the most effective chest workouts you can do at home without any fancy gym equipment, the top foods you should eat to lose chest fat, and the surprising reasons why so many men struggle with chest fat for so long. Also, stick with us to discover essential tips that will not only help you lose that fat, but also make your chest look more defined and attractive in just 1 month. Trust me, this is going to be a very helpful and important video for you. Let's get started. So first of all, it is important for you to know that your chest consists of 3 main parts, which are upper chest, middle chest, and lower chest. And when the fat on these 3 main parts of your chest starts to grow and keep growing, there comes a time when this extra fat accumulation on your chest causes your chest to lose shape and look very ugly. And this time, when you wear any clothes, your breasts look very big and ugly. In this video, I am going to tell you 3 steps to get rid of this excess chest fat, which if you can follow perfectly, within a month, your chest fat will be gone and your muscles will show. The first step is home chest workout. For a great chest workout at home without going to the gym, you can use weight exercises that require minimal or no equipment. Let's start with exercise number 1, which is the standard push-up. To perform this push-up, start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your elbows bent close to your body or at a 45-degree angle to your floor. Slowly lower the body, now push with your palms to straighten your arms and return to the starting position. Inhale as you lower the body and exhale as you return to the starting position. Do this push-up like this 4 or 5 times a week. You will do 15 to 20 reps in 3 sets and rest 45 to 60 seconds between each set. Exercise number 2 is wide push-up. This push-up is a variation of the traditional push-up, where your hands are placed wider than shoulder width apart. To perform this position with your hands wider than your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels, bend your elbows and lower your chest to the ground, then return to the starting position with your arms extended. In this way, you will do this push-up 4 or 5 times in a week in 3 sets of 10-15 times, and take a rest of 50-70 seconds between each set. Exercise number 3 is inline push-up. This push-up is also known as close grip or narrow push-up. It primarily targets the triceps, chest, and shoulders. To perform this, place your hands directly under your shoulders so that your thumbs almost touch. Now bend the elbows and lower the body. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground, then return to the starting position with the elbows extended. Do this push-up like this 4 or 5 times a week in 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps and rest for 55-85 seconds between each set. And exercise number 4 is dips. Dips are a very effective body weight exercise. There are generally 3 types of dips: bench dips, parallel bar dips, and ring dips. To perform these dips, grab a bar or bench with your hands shoulder width apart. Straighten your arms. Now bend your elbows and slowly lower your body until your elbows are about 90 degrees. Thus, you will do these dips 4 or 5 times a week in 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions and take a gap of 60-90 seconds between each set. Try increasing the above exercises to 1 to 3 reps per set for faster chest progression. Now here is step number 2, exercise with minimal equipment. i.e., how can you get a great chest workout at home using minimal equipment at low cost? So, the number 2 exercise in this category is dumbbell bench press. An effective exercise to target the chest, shoulders, and triceps is the dumbbell bench press. To perform this, first lie on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground and with a neutral grip, hold a dumbbell in each hand with your elbows bent at about 90 degrees. Put it to the side. Now with your wrists straight and arms extended, press the dumbbells up and inhale as you lower the dumbbells, then exhale as you press the dumbbells up, doing this exercise 2 to 3 times a week for 4 sets of 8. Do it 12 times and rest for 60-90 seconds between each set. Now the number 2 exercise is Chest flies dumbbell. Dumbbell chest fly is an excellent isolation exercise that targets the pectoral muscles, helping to build strength and definition in the chest. To perform it, lie on your back on a flat bench and hold a dumbbell in each hand. Lower to the side, then squeeze the chest muscles upward, reversing the motion and returning the dumbbells to the starting position. In this way, by doing this exercise 3 times a week, you will do 10-15 times in 3 sets, and rest 60-95 seconds between each set. And the last exercise, number 3, is the resistance band chest press, an effective exercise that targets your chest muscles like a traditional bench press. To perform this exercise, place the resistance band at chest height using a solid anchor point like a door anchor or pole. Now grasp a handle in each hand with your palms facing down, then bend your elbows, place your hands at chest level, and extend your arms straight out in front of you, pushing against the resistance of the band, then slowly bring your arms back to the starting position. By doing this exercise 4 to 5 times in a week, you will do 10 to 12 times in 3 to 4 sets, and take a gap of 60-90 seconds after completing each set. So after doing these exercises completely, if you have a question in your mind that only these exercises are able to remove this extra amount of fat in your chest, then my answer would be absolutely no. The reason is food. Yes, you heard right, food. If you burn fewer calories each day than you consume from food, those extra calories are stored in your body as fat, and the only way to solve this problem is diet. Yes, this diet plays an important role in reducing your chest fat and building muscle, as it directly affects body composition, energy levels, and recovery. And I have divided this diet into 3 parts. The first is dietary mistakes. What foods should you eat and what foods should you avoid? The second is calorie deficit. How do you consume fewer calories than you burn and create a calorie deficit? And the third is high-protein diet. How can you grow and strengthen your chest muscles with this high-protein diet? Each and everything now. So let's start with number 1, which is diet mistakes. C. In order to lose chest fat, it is very important to focus on an overall healthy diet and avoid common mistakes that can hinder your progress. Some key foods. Related mistakes include skipping meals, excessive consumption of sugary water, not consuming enough protein, inconsistent eating patterns, focusing only on low-fat products, and lack of hydration. Breakfast in particular can slow your metabolism, leading to less fat and weight gain. Eating a regular balanced diet helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and keep your metabolism active. Avoid foods that are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. They will not allow fat to accumulate in your chest area. Soft drinks. Sugar-sweetened beverages like soda, energy drinks, and some fruit juices are high in calories. Replace them with water, herbal tea, or other low-calorie beverages. Next is not eating enough protein. Protein is essential for your muscle repair and growth. Insufficient protein intake can hinder your fat loss efforts. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes in your diet. Then, focusing only on fat products, many low-fat or fat-free products make up for the lack of fat with added sugars or unhealthy fillers, which can contribute to fat storage. Instead, choose healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, which can support overall fats today. Next, inconsistent eating patterns. Irregular eating patterns can disrupt your metabolism and lead to fat storage, so try to eat at consistent times throughout the day. Next, lack of hydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to water retention and bloating, which can make you feel heavy. Proper hydration supports metabolism and aids in weight control, preventing excess fat from accumulating in your chest. Now for number 2, calorie deficit. A calorie deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than you need. This forces your body to burn stored fat for energy, which helps reduce overall body fat, including chest fat. In order to lose chest fat, you need to remember that fat loss occurs throughout the body, depending on genetics, hormone levels, and where your body naturally stores fat. So you can't just target fat loss in specific areas like the chest. Also, to create a calorie deficit, reduce your daily calorie intake, meaning you need to consume 500 to 1,000 calories less per day, which will help you lose about 1 to 2 pounds of fat from your body per week. And eat a balanced diet rich in lean protein, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. You can also do cardio exercises such as running, jogging, or cycling, and focus on strength training to increase the body's metabolism and support fat loss. This strength training helps you build muscle, which can improve the appearance of the chest while reducing fat. And now the latest, the high-protein diet. A high-protein diet can be effective for reducing chest fat as part of an overall fat loss strategy. Protein helps you maintain muscle mass while losing fat. Protein-rich foods tend to be more filling, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. A high protein intake also helps in the production of hormones like leptin, which helps regulate appetite and metabolism. Lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based proteins such as tofu and tempeh can be included in your diet. They will provide enough calories to your body and prevent fat buildup. And if your chest fat does not decrease, or there is no change, even after following the exercises and diet tips I mentioned above, then your body is affected by a disease called pseudogynecomastia. Pseudogynecomastia is a condition in which, in men, there is excess fatty tissue in the breast area, behind, around, and under the breast. And because of these tissues, the male breast size is very large and gives the appearance of female breasts. The main causes of this pseudogynecomastia are hormonal imbalance, genetics, aging, lack of exercise, and poor diet, etc. Although it is a serious disease, there is no reason to worry. Without surgery, it is possible to get rid of this disease. It is not possible to tell about this in detail in this video. If you want to know more about pseudogynecomastia, then comment. I will make my next video for you on this topic. Or you can consult a doctor in this regard. That's it for today's video, I hope. By following the instructions I've given, you'll notice a change in your chest within a month. And you can always subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get such helpful videos about body fitness. And if you want to gain weight fast and build muscle, then you can watch the video on the screen. Thank you.